So I got this from Top Hatter. It says $15 here, but I'm pretty sure I bidded less than that because I don't know this. And if you look at their pictures, right here, it shows a huge clock on the. Yeah, that's totally exaggerated. It does shine on the ceiling, but it does not shine this big. It would be really cool if it did shine that big, but it doesn't. Um, it does have the temperature and blah 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 on it. And I come in white, but I'll show you up close what it actually does look like. So here's the actual camera, and the only thing that sucks is the display. The display doesn't stay on. Sorry, doesn't stay on all the time. You have to actually hit it.
24 p.m. 71 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's weird. It's saying Fahrenheit now, and before it only said Celsius. I don't know what I hit, but anyway, now it's Fahrenheit. Before it was always Celsius, and I didn't understand what temperature it was. Anyway, so this is what. Oh, see how it goes out, and then.
24 p.m. 71 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, and then let me see how I can do this. Okay. So, I'll show you like this, I guess. So let's say that's the ceiling. So I'll show you when it.
24 p.m. 71 degrees Fahrenheit.
I don't know if you can see up close. Let's see if I can move it towards the stereo. Or on the wall. Let me put it on this wall right here. You can see the wall. Let me turn this light off. Okay. I can't get my other camera to record, so I'm doing this blindly. So there's the wall.
4:25 p.m. 74 degrees.
Can you see how little it is? And even if you pull away, it doesn't get that big like it did on the picture. So, yeah. I like it because it does go off every hour, tell you what time it is and everything, and it would put it a little bit on the wall, but for the most part, I'm going to say thumbs down for this because you can't see the time. Yeah, so, but it does have, I believe it has dual alarms, and you can switch the, sound, your alarm. So those are different alarms. You can have it set in military time or regular time, and you can also have the talking on or off. So, but for the most part, I'm going to go thumbs down for this. So, that's my review of this. Subscribe to that channel, guys. You guys don't realize that as newbies, we need subscribers. I mean, I'm out there looking at certain people's videos all the time, but I look down, they got 27,000 subscribers, they got 70 million subscribers, whatever it is. They don't need them. They already have a sponsor. It's us newbie people that need to get up to 1,000 sponsors. So come on, hit that friggin' subscribe button for me, please. I'm doing all the hard work for y'all. Anyway, check back and look at more videos. I'm trying.